of a house. Apostle P.P. Mthembu Ministries, watching from South Africa. You are a great apostle, but there is a prophetic mandate with a deliverance ministry. People are really persecuting you, and there is a lot of gossip, and you have been betrayed so much. I want to tell you this: do not drop the mic in your hands. There's a lot of series of battles you're having in ministry. But hear me, this year, oh my God, in the next several months, there's going to be a speed that is about to happen to you in the name of Jesus. Can you share to Apostle P.P. Mthembu Ministry? I want you to do 3 days fasting. There's something about this kind of speed God wants to give you. There is this power trying to shrink you. 3 days fasting, and ask God to enlarge your coast and territory. And I heard the Lord say to me, 1 Peter 5:10 is a word for you, that see, the God of all grace, after you have suffered for a while, will settle you, will establish you and settle you. Is a word for you, and new beginning have started today in the mighty name of Jesus. And